Hello everyone, we are going to focus on reflex points located in your facial area. The colors on different areas of the face correspond to various organs in the body. For example, the forehead region is linked to small intestine and bladder. The lower cheeks are associated with the lungs and colon. By stimulating different parts of the face, we are not only activating these reflex points, but also triggering sensory information to travel to the brain and then spread throughout the body, influencing various systems. Now here is how to do it. Rub your hands together to generate warmth. The heat will dilate the blood vessels and stimulate the nerves. Now number 2, place your hands next to your nose like this. And remember to use the palms like this. Okay? And cover your face. Apply firm pressure as you slide your hands up to the top of your head and then back down to your chin like this. Again. Repeat this motion about 10 times, making sure to apply steady pressure, which means not too high, not too low, but with same intensity. Next, we will stimulate the maxillary division of the trigeminal nerve, moving from the facial region, upper cheek bones toward the ears. Remember to use this side of your hands. Gently push back from the facial bone towards the ears like this. You have to repeat it 10 times. Lastly, we will stimulate the ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve. What you have to do is to start moving your hands from cheekbones, push upward towards the temples. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it. Like this. Repeat it at least 10 times. Most of you will notice immediate effects after just a few seconds of stimulating these facial reflex points and trigeminal nerve divisions. This can help relieve sinus congestion, open nasal passages, reduce anxiety, lessen pain, improve sleep, and enhance focus. Take a few minutes each day to stimulate these points and you will see amazing results. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family and leave your comments below how you felt it after doing that. Thanks.